our story. This is economical phase. The financial express to a highly invested virus inject fear into DSET Quickcom to drive 60% jump in gig working worker hiring in 2025 and quick India's gig economy is poised for a major leap in 2025 with the hiring of workers in the quick commerce sector projected to rise by an unprecedented 60% compared to 2024. According to industry experts, the surge comes as leading e-commerce players like Amazon, Flipkart, and Mitra enter the quick commerce space while existing players such as Blinkit, Swiggy, Instamart, and Zepto scale up operations aggressively. Quick commerce relies heavily on gig workers for two key roles under the roof staff who manage operations at dark stores and delivery agent who ensure first doorstep service. Typically, each dark store employs 30 to 35 under the roof workers such as loaders, pickers, and packers, supported by 120 to 140 delivery personnel to meet demand. The top five quick commerce players Blinkit, Instamart, Zepto, Big Basket, and Flipkart Minutes currently employ around 70,000 under the roof workers and 250,000 to 300,000 delivery partners, said Bala Subramaniam, a senior VP and businesses head at Team Lens. This workforce of approximately 350,000 is set to grow by at least 60% in 2025. He added, five infants test positive for HMPV in Gujarat, Karnataka, TN, and Telangana. Five instant tested positive for the human metapneumosis versus and metapneumovirus virus HMPV in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Gujarat on Monday, the first reported case of the virus in India. Union Health Minister JP Nadda sought to assuage fears, saying the government is closely monitoring the situation and there is no reason to worry. HMPV is a respiratory respiratory virus that recently gained attention after its outbreak was reported in China, while the Karnataka, Gujarat, and Maharashtra, which is more and more Maharashtra governments assured that there was no cause for alarm. The Delhi government directed all hospitals in the capital to remain fully prepared to manage a potential surge in respiratory illnesses with former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal urging the center to act swiftly to prevent a potentially health crisis. Two cases were detected in Karnataka by the Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR through routine surveillance for multiple respiratory viral pathogen. A 3 month old girl with a his- history of bronchocopen pneumonia was diagnosed with HMPV in Bangalore and had already been discharged, the health minister said. An 80-month-old boy with a history of bronchopneumonia tested positive for HMPV on January 3rd in Bangalore and is now recovering. It said neither of the two have any any history of international travel. The ministry underlined in Tamil Nadu, two more children tested positive for the virus and are currently undergoing treatment in two hospitals. Officials said the fifth case was reported from Ahmedabad with a 2-month-old boy tested positive for HMPV. Consent manager framework, a key big tech concern. Banks NBFC sees it to hit to cross selling. Banks NBFC can't fairly share user data with subsidiaries to obtain explicit consent from users before sharing such info. Restrict banks to use customer data slowly for specific purpose. Taking approval from exciting customers poses a major challenge. Many customers do not use digital banking channels. Cutting edge AI innovations to take center stage at CES 2025. Tech Bazaar kicks off. Banks' slower loan growth a worry. Do we need to press the panic button of HMPV? Five HMPV cases in three states have been confirmed. Economy. Finance Minister requested to focus on retail housing, rental housing. Realty sector seeks higher tax benefit on home loans. Roll out vague and social security code unions. Double IFCL should lend 1 lakh crore in 3 years. Nagarjun. Government eased conditions for especially steel PLI. PM inaugurated railway projects in JK and Odisha. Investment by central agencies and CPSE declined 10% in April to November. IHP stagnant audit firms struggles to retain talent. Ravi showing enters last phase slightly above year ago level. Government mulch hallmarking for silver jewelry. Center eyes private capital for 9 lakh CR grid expansion. Funding in space industry declined 55% to 59%, $59.1 million. Dam over Brahmaputra